the treatment given to matters of public interest is different from other matters. And where a court finds that a matter is of public interest, then, Your Worship, Justice Margaret Kuwulira, emphasized in miscellaneous applications number 045, 046, and 047 of 2015 on page 10 of that ruling. Where she emphasized that in considering whether an accused person or an applicant should be released on bail, the needs of the society need to be protected. And one of the needs of society is protecting them from lawlessness. From lawlessness. Your Worship, in this matter, much as the applicant is innocent until proven guilty, as prosecution, this matter is of public interest. And the only way the public interest can be protected is by keeping the applicant in custody until the matter is complete. The applicant in custody until the matter is complete. The applicant attacked very important persons in this country, that even his life is insecure. And actually being in custody is for his own benefit. Being in custody is for his own benefit. In fact, if I were him, I wouldn't even mention the word complications of pain. First of all, I have a copy of this ruling for court. You are saying that he's safer in prison? He's safer in prison, Your Worship. And Your Worship, it's not only speculative, but I would refer you to paragraph yes, paragraph 5 of the affidavit. From our investigations, Your Worship, is that there were clear signs that if the public just got hold of the applicant, he would be dissected into pieces. So it is safer in custody.
I would like to object to that.
These are investigations. You cannot stop the one. Your Worship, is there salvation therefore that the applicant is safer in custody? Besides, it is the applicant is an administrator of pressure of Twitter account called the Pressure 24/7.